Assalamualaikum everyone, how are you all? Today the topic of my presentation is mobile internet devices and cloud. In this presentation I will explain mobile devices, cloud computing, their advantages, application, challenges and future scope. Okay, first of all, what are mobile internet devices? These are the devices that connect to the internet wirelessly. Example include smartphones, tablets, laptops, and smartwatches. These devices are very useful in daily life. However, these devices provide limited battery storage and battery power, but computer cloud computing helps to solve this problem by storing and processing data online. We save the data online, which improves efficiency. Which this is a great fact that helps to store the data online. We can access this data every time, everywhere from the world. Next, what is cloud computing? Cloud computing means storing and accessing data through internet. It allows user to access file anywhere, anytime in the world, like iCloud of the iPhone, OneDrive, Google Drive. These reduces the need of the physical storage space, and we can access the system easily. Types of mobile devices like smartphones you use in daily life for calling, browsing. Next one is tablets, the big screen, and they provide big screen for usage and video for study. And third are smartwatches you use for fitness tracking, notification. Last is laptops you use in your daily life like HP, Lenovo, whatever you want. Next one is features. Every device has some features like Wi-Fi, mobile data. These devices are easily portable and easy to carry. Like features, you can also the in first row, last which is touch screen. Next one is Bluetooth, incoming calls, missed calls, SIM. These are the features. Additional features also include GPS, Bluetooth. Cloud computing plays an important role in mobile devices. It provides online data storage and automatic backup. Users can synchronize files. Real-world applications in cloud computing is used in many real-world applications like e-commerce application like Amazon uses cloud database. Banking apps use cloud security system for safe transactions. Google Drives use stores files online. Streaming application like Netflix, Spotify use cloud service to provide media content. And the social media applications also store user data in cloud systems. These are the mainly you can say cloud computing applications that are used in the real life. These are important, and like Google Drive stores file online, so you don't need any space. Streaming application like Netflix and Spotify use cloud service to provide media content, so we basically don't need any type of physical storage. We use the online storage using the services like SAS and PAS. So that's a great positive point in these systems. Next are the advantages. There are many advantages of cloud computing. Cloud-based mobile devices like user can access file from anywhere. Cloud computing provides online backup, prevents data loss. It saves mobile storage space and supports easily collaboration. It is also effective and provides automatic updates. Next one is challenges. Despite many challenges, advantages, there are some challenges. Cloud services depends heavily on internet connectivity. There can be risk, security risk, privacy concern. When there is no electricity, no internet, the whole system will goes down. Continuous internet usage may increase battery and data consumption. Somewhere server downtime can also affect services. Okay, next one is future scope. The future of mobile cloud computing is very bright. 5G technology will provide faster internet speeds. Artificial intelligence will make applications smarter, and cloud security system will improve further. The Internet of Things will connect more smart devices in the future. In conclusion, mobile devices and cloud computing work together to improve communication and data sharing. Cloud services increase storage, flexibility, performance. This technology is becoming very important for education, business, and entertainment. Thank you so much for listening.